Fast Track Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Fast Track Repair. If you're considering their service, links to the product are included in the description below. Let's discuss its features, who it's designed for, and what makes it stand out in the credit repair industry. Fast Track Repair is a streamlined credit repair solution built for individuals who need quick and effective assistance in improving their credit. Whether you're facing issues like incorrect items on your credit report, outdated accounts, or a history of late payments, Fast Track Repair is tailored to deliver results without unnecessary delays. A key feature of this service is its accelerated dispute process, which focuses on identifying and addressing errors or inaccuracies in your credit report promptly. They work with all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, ensuring a thorough review and dispute process. Fast Track Repair's methods comply with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, giving you confidence that disputes are handled professionally and lawfully. Fast Track Repair also offers a customized action plan for its users. After signing up, you'll receive a detailed assessment of your credit profile, complete with actionable steps tailored to your unique situation. This plan includes strategies for reducing debt, optimizing credit utilization, and building positive credit history, ensuring long-term improvements in your credit score. For transparency, they provide a user-friendly tracking portal. This feature allows you to monitor the status of disputes, view progress in real time, and access reports that show how your credit score is evolving. Regular updates and notifications help you stay informed every step of the way. Additionally, Fast Track Repair includes educational resources aimed at empowering clients with knowledge about credit management. These materials cover topics like budgeting, improving credit habits, and understanding credit scores, equipping you with the tools to maintain and grow your credit in the future. If you're looking for a results-driven, fast-acting credit repair service, Fast Track Repair is worth considering. Their combination of efficiency, transparency, and personalized support makes them a strong contender for anyone aiming to improve their financial health. Check out the links in the description to get started today.